This is just an amazing find, direct in from the last owner. It is beautiful. Let's take you all around it. Fiat 500 lounge, it's the 1.2 lounge. So it does come with a panoramic glass roof. Volare blue metallic. I love the colour on it. Very fresh colour. Beautiful car, as I mentioned, with incredibly low mileage of just 21,500 miles. 2014 October on a 64 plate. So 2014 at 21,000 miles. Just bear that in mind. What a car, what a car, what a car. 1.2 engine, a 70 brake horsepower, just £35 road tax. According to Fiat, combined miles per gallon, 58 point something miles per gallon combined. Low insurance, so ideal first car. You cannot believe the condition of this car, and we've gone that extra hog to make it even nicer with what we've done with it. So let's take you all the way around it. Good size boot on these Fiat 500s. Split folding rear seat. Take you on the inside shortly. Comes with a spare wheel, all the toolkit there complete. All the loading area is just beautiful, totally unmarked. Bodywork all down the sides. No dents, no scratches, no scrapes. All the wheels are in fabulous condition. No major damage, major scrapes or chunks out of them. Brand new tyres all the way around. So close up with the near side front wheel. Just a tiny little mark just on the edge there, but otherwise absolutely perfect. Again, as I mentioned, brand new tyres. Close up across the front. No damage, no scrapes. Hardly any stone chips whatsoever. There might be the odd tiny one, but remember it's a 2014 car. We don't claim to have perfect cars. We do, so we try to find some of the best examples on the market. So you are on your hands and knees with me, getting a very close up. So it's full transparency. You can see exactly how nice the car is. The driver's wheel. Can't see any marks at all on that one. Again, of course, brand new tyre, and all down the sides. Absolutely gorgeous. And a close up of the final wheel. And let's take you inside this beautiful interior. All the door trims, absolutely perfect. All the entry points, all unmarked. Look at those seats. Aren't they gorgeous? Nicely embossed with 500 on there. The rear seats all in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, and of course a beautiful panoramic roof under there. So you've got the blind on there. Slide that back. Makes it very nice and airy. Passenger door trim all perfect. All the dashboard undamaged, unmarked. 21,523. The last owner bought it back in 2021 with 18,500 miles. So they've done exactly 3,000 miles since 2021. So not been used at all. As I said, 18,500 when they bought it, and it's 21,523 today. And I'll tell you exactly what we've done to the car shortly. We've gone through it top to bottom, so the next owner enjoys a car which is in great condition. So you've got stereo CD all on there, the menu there, scroll through, various options on there, city button. So you press that, get a warning light on there. A warning light, but a message to say city. And the steering is, I can turn it with one finger. So the city button allows you to do that, making it very, very light. So parking in tight spots, it does help with the steering with the city button on there. Air conditioning, heater controls on there. It's got Blue&Me, which is what FIAT call it, which is the Bluetooth on that. Radio on there. Got Bluetooth voice activation on there.
Searching for connection. Try again later.
So if you have a phone connected, it'll find it through Blue&Me on the Bluetooth. Radio source, of course, connection to the Bluetooth there. 5-speed manual gearbox, electric windows on there. Aux input in there. So what have we done to this car? Well, you cannot believe how far we've gone with this car. We've done various videos to show the stages of what we've done on our Facebook page. So feel free to have a look at that. But we've gone through it top to bottom. We've carried out a full service. We replaced the front suspension arms. We fitted brand new tyres all the way around. We've done the cam belt. So everything has been done. And what a car. As you can see, absolutely stunning. We have 2 sets of keys. We have complete book pack. It's full HPI checked and clear. Welcome part exchange. We don't believe you'll find a nicer example currently on the market. It's all been underbody protected, under sealed, wax oiled to give it many more years. If you're looking for a nice little car with low mileage, this has got to be a beauty for it. As I mentioned, just £35 road tax, low insurance, and it's had all the work done to it. If you fancy that at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that reserve button and reserve it before anybody else beats you to it. Currently, there's not another one on the market with that sort of mileage. We're open Monday to Saturday. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you'll understand customers come back to us time and time again. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Remember, if you click and reserve, we have a full money back guarantee that if the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. We can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Additional costs do apply. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.